Let me say right off that AI art generators have gotten a lot better over the last 6 months. These images of a P-51 Mustang flying above the clouds were generated just a few months ago by Stable Diffusion. The ones generated by Midjourney were not any better. Let's see how they compare to images generated today by DALL-E, Leonardo, and Midjourney. I decided to test DALL-E 3 using ChatGPT and was really surprised at the results. The propeller is a little wonky, and of course the lettering on the nose is gibberish. The insignia could be better, but overall I like it and would count it as a successful render. Being impressed with DALL-E, I decided to try something a bit more complex. I knew better than to use the term dogfight, which results in flying dogs. So I asked for a Spitfire and a Bf-109 battling over England. The first image is very good. Yes, there are a lot of little things wrong, like the planes are all on fire, and it has a two-bladed prop instead of a three, but they're all easily fixable in Photoshop. The second image has a bigger problem, so one success and one failure. Next, I asked for a Messerschmitt 109 to see if DALL-E knew what a ME 109 even looked like, and I got what looks more like a Nazi flying tiger. So I decided to press my luck and asked it to generate an image of a ME 110 over wartime London, and was actually surprised to get a twin-engine German aircraft that resembled a 110. It didn't have the proper twin-tail configuration, but I was impressed all the same. I expected worse. The AI did a better job at depicting a Hawker Hurricane than it did at generating an image of World War II London. I'm not sure why it shows spotlights coming down from the aircraft in the background. But overall, it did a good job on the Hurricane. It seems that GPT has a vivid imagination at the expense of accuracy. It is no aviation historian for sure, but like I said before, it is a huge advance over just a few months ago. Being so encouraged with the results from OpenAI's DALL-E, I decided to give Leonardo AI a try. Leonardo has been making huge strides in photorealism and closing the gap on Midjourney. Unfortunately, the results were very disappointing. Although there was an improvement in overall cohesion, the quality in the images was not even close to DALL-E. Next, I turned to Midjourney to see how well it would fare against the aviation artwork produced by DALL-E. And again, I was sorely disappointed. Although it did better at depicting the overall structure of an aircraft than it did 6 months ago, there were many problems with the images that it generated. So, why is OpenAI's DALL-E so much better at accurately portraying these aircraft? Granted, it is not perfect, but it is obviously better. Perhaps it is OpenAI's strategy of training its model on vast amounts of written information and giving it a broad knowledge base that can then be applied to specific skills such as image generation. If this is the case, then we can expect DALL-E to quickly surpass the other art generators in all areas of illustration. And this would hint at GPT's ability to understand the data that has been fed to it and to begin to understand the world around it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a like and to subscribe to the channel.